Today I'm going to show you how to use your connects on Upwork wisely. There's a lot to be said about using your connects wisely because once they're done, you need to buy them. And the point of being on Upwork is to make money and not spend money. So here are a few tips when spending your connects on jobs. The first thing is looking at the payment verified status. For example, this client is verified. Their payment method has been added to their account. This means that this person is ready to make payment. Now, if their payment method is not verified, it will not look like that. In actual fact, it will look like something else. All right. So it won't have the blue tick next to it. And basically what this means is they just haven't added a payment method. It doesn't necessarily mean that you won't get paid. However, if they open a contract, they will need to open a bank account or add a bank account so that they can have a verified payment method. This just verifies the client to be a more serious, willing to and ready to hire client. The next thing over here is that right now this client has spent $0. Now, it's not to say that this client is not going to be hiring. It just means that this client hasn't hired on Upwork yet. And this is now also and can be related or relevant to their open jobs versus their hire rate, which you can actually see once you click on the job, and I'll show you in just a second. You can also see that there are no star ratings here, which means that no one that they've hired has actually left a review, which means they have not hired anybody yet. You can see that this person, in contrast, has spent more than $70,000 and they have a almost 5-star rating. They also have a payment method verified. Here, you can see the difference. So I'm going to open this up over here. So let's go ahead and open that one up. Let's open this one up. Now, the first one over here, you will see the experienced photographer, this person over here that has more than 70K spent. We're going to go in here and view the details of the client. This is the job that we've clicked on, but over here, you will be able to see on the right-hand side about the client. Now, their payment method is verified. Their phone number is verified. They have 43 reviews. 61 jobs, a 66% hire rate, which is not terrible. It just means that they have open jobs and they haven't necessarily hired for all of those jobs. And there are various reasons for that. So then if we go into this one here, you will see payment method is verified, phone number is verified, 0 hire rate, 1 job open, which is this job that we're looking at over here. If you go into each one of these people, you'll be able to see different things, okay? So here's somebody with not such a great rating. So let's just open this one up and see why this person has not such a good rating. One of the other things, and I will show you now, is this rating. You can actually see the client reviews. So over here, they have 20 jobs open or 20 total jobs posted, 5 jobs currently open with a 65% hire rate. And here you can come down and just underneath the job activity, okay, you'll be able to see the recent history of the client. Now, this is another way to read through what people are saying. So over here, you can see that this person actually hasn't got much going for him. He's got 1 5-star rating, 1 4.9, and then a 1-star rating. And then also they've got 2 reviews with no ratings at all. If you have a look in contrast again to this one here, you will see that most of these are actually 5 stars and they have reviews as well, which means that this client is decent. And then you can also go ahead and just read through some of the reviews to see if you can align with a client like this. This will help you to just see what type of client this is that you're going to be dealing with. And if you are submitting a proposal and spending your connects, if you're wasting your time at all. The next and very last thing that I want to share with you is the how long ago the job has been posted. So over here, you can see this was posted 19 minutes ago, 21 minutes ago. It's just been updated. And there are less than 5 people that have sent a proposal. And that is fantastic. This means that in the last 20 minutes, less than 5 people have submitted a proposal. And this would be a good job to spend your connects on because you will not be in a large crowd. In fact, the crowd is less than 5 And this is still relatively new, so the chances that the client has actually looked at this again is very low. You can see if we go a little bit further down, I'm going to go ahead and just load some more jobs. You can now see some of these, like for example, this one has more than 20 proposals that have already been submitted, and it's been posted an hour ago. The chances of you coming out on top means that you are amazing, absolutely amazing, and you shouldn't be fighting for jobs. The chances of you coming out on top is very low. So make sure that you're posting or your proposals within at least 15 to 20, even 30 minutes, I would say the max. And make sure that where it says proposals, it says 0 to 5 or less than 5. And that will give you a good indication to spend your connects on clients that actually want to hire you.